So guys, this is a Shearwater cafe. You can see how beautiful it is. Well maintained. Some people can stay there. You can see people there, they are eating. It's just close to nature, you know guys. It's amazing. Then this is a gallery. You can actually buy photos here. You can see gallery where they sell a lot of sculpture and some beautiful sculptures are for painted art, you know. It's amazing. So when you are tired, you just come and sit here. So this is the way from the falls. Then over there we have got the toilets. Some they say loo, some they say restrooms. So you can actually come and sit here and have a rest. You can see.